How to style open shelves like an interior designer. Open shelving is a popular interior design choice, offering both practicality and aesthetic appeal. Whether in a kitchen, living room, or bedroom, open shelves provide a great way to display personal items, create visual interest, and keep things within easy reach. However, styling open shelves requires a thoughtful approach to maintain a balance between function and style. Do's and don'ts for styling open shelves. 1. Mix decorative and functional items. Do's: combine items like books, vases, and decorative bowls with functional items such as dishes, glasses, or storage baskets. This creates a balanced and engaging display. Don't display only decorative or only functional items. A mix ensures the shelves look both stylish and practical. 2. Play with height and scale. Do's: vary the height and size of items to create a visually interesting and balanced look. Use taller items as focal points and surround them with smaller objects. Don't use items of the same height or size, as this can make the display look flat and monotonous. 3. Group items in odd numbers. Do's: arrange objects in odd-numbered groups, such as 3s or 5s, to create a more natural and visually appealing arrangement. Don't rely solely on even-numbered groupings, which can make the arrangement appear too rigid and structured. 4. Add greenery. Do's: incorporate plants or flowers to add a fresh, lively element and introduce natural textures and colors. Don't forget to care for the plants, as wilting or dead plants can detract from the display's appeal. 5. Use a consistent color palette. Do's: stick to a cohesive color scheme to create a harmonious and polished look. Choose colors that complement the room's overall design. Don't use too many contrasting colors, which can create a chaotic and disjointed appearance. 6. Incorporate personal items. Do's: display personal items like photos, souvenirs, or sentimental pieces to make the shelves feel unique and personal. Don't overdo it with too many personal items, which can make the shelves look. 7. Keep it simple and uncluttered. Do's: practice restraint by displaying a few key pieces and leaving some open space. This approach keeps the shelves looking clean and organized. Don't overstuff the shelves with too many items, which can make them look cluttered and chaotic. 8. Balance symmetry and asymmetry. Do's: mix symmetrical arrangements with asymmetrical ones for a balanced and interesting look. Don't place all large items on one side, creating an unbalanced and uneven look. 9. Incorporate various textures. Do's: use a mix of textures, smooth ceramics, rough wood, soft fabrics, and metallics, to add depth and interest. Don't use only one type of texture, as this can make the shelves look boring and flat. 10. Consider proportions. Do's: ensure the size of the items fits the shelf size. Use proportionate items to maintain balance and harmony. Don't use items that are too small or too large for the shelves, which can make them look out of place. Styling open shelves is an art that combines practicality with creativity. By following these do's and don'ts, you can create a display that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, reflecting your personal style and enhancing your space. Remember, open shelves are a flexible element of design. Don't be afraid to rearrange and experiment until you find the perfect balance.